Hi, my name's Charles and I'm one of the maths teachers from the Maxim workshop. I'm just going to now teach you how to do some maths. I'm going to show you how to find the diameter of a circle. Now, the first thing you would need to know about a circle is some of its properties. So, the origin of the circle lies at the center, and that's what we use to define the diameter and the radius. Now, you have any point on the circle starting from here and then going to the origin, say, is equal to our radius. Now, if you have twice that length, so extending from this point through the origin and then touching the other side, you'll have the diameter. So we'll put this as radius, and this so I'll label D as diameter, and R as radius. Again, you have another property, which is the actual perimeter of the circle, and that leads to the circumference. So I'll put C going all the way around like that. So now, in order to find the diameter of the circle, which is the distance leading through the circle from one side to the other and through the origin, we're going to need to establish measurements of our radius, okay? So we know that the radius times 2 provides the diameter. So 2r equals d. So imagine if we had a circle that measured 3 centimeters for its radius. That would imply that we would need to use this equation to calculate the diameter. So we say 2 times 3 centimeters equals 6 centimeters. And remember, we use the units of centimeters because our radius is in centimeters. So this equals our diameter. Now, we're going to look at our circumference. So C equals circumference. So our circumference now is, again, the perimeter of the circle. So our equation that we have for circumference is that C equals pi d. Okay, so for pi, we know that this equals 3.142, okay? But what we're going to do, just for the ease of this calculation, we're going to take it down to 3. So pi is approximately equal to 3 for this calculation. Now, if we want to find d, we're going to need to bring this pi to the other side. So there's a bit of fiddling around that we're going to need to do first. And that's pretty much to say, if we have pi multiplying by d, when we take it to the other side, i.e. across the equal sign, it's going to be divided by c. So c divided by pi, and that equals d. So C equals 18. The next question might be, what is the diameter equal to? Now, in order to find that, we're going to need to use this equation here. So we plop in our value for C, and we need a value for pi. We've defined that here as being approximately equal to 3. So below, we've got 18 divided by 3. Now, 18 divided by 3, again, is 6 centimeters. So that's our solution for D, where we have a circle with a circumference of 18 centimeters, and we approximate the number 3 to equal pi. And that's basically how to calculate the diameter of a circle.